Hello, welcome to my channel. So I just go around filming something. There's nothing, no story in the video because it's just a lazy day. So I didn't go to work today. I stayed home and uh, go around my house and filming just something to have some footage for editing. This video we are talking about making a YouTube channel, making YouTube video, how to start and grow your YouTube channel. So I know that making YouTube video is very easy. It is not so difficult because YouTube allow you to upload any kinds of video on this platform for free. There's nothing you have to pay. But in order to grow your channel, then my opinion is that you have to find something that you know best, or at least you know a little, and then you learn and you teach other people about that. So for example, I make a software tutorial on my channel. So people maybe beginner don't know about software, they want to learn, so they search for that. So yeah, so they find my content is interesting, then they subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, if I just publish my vlog or some other stuff like a random video on this channel, no one want to subscribe to my channel. Because today I didn't bring my tripod with me, so I put it on a very dangerous frame. It's for practicing exercise. So my second advice is that you publish content that people will search for that. For example, on my channel, I published a video about software tutorial about Filmora 9. So I think people will search for how to edit video with Filmora 9, and how to add text to video, and how to use green screen or something like that. So uh, I imagine that what beginner want to know, so they will search for it. That kind of video perform very well on my channel. Another important advice that never never publish just random stuff on your channel. For example, if you go out and filming something and then you put it on your channel and say, oh hey, this is beautiful, this is amazing, this is epic, nobody want to watch that kind of video. I tried it so many times in the past, and I regret that I did that, because nobody want to know just rubbish on the channel. Nobody want to subscribe or to your channel if it is full of rubbish. For example, I saw that many of you, including my subscriber on my channel, just publish video that is very shaky and lack of lighting, and uh, just random stuff, no story in the video. For example, if you want to make vlog, then you want to show them some interesting thing about your life, about where you travel to, or about something that people want to watch, not just random stuff. For example, your daily life. If it is boring like me, then no one want to watch, except when you already a famous YouTuber, then you publish vlog, then many people want to watch. Many people are curious about what famous YouTuber do. So try not to do that, not to publish random stuff on your channel. Okay. Okay, this is number 4 advice. So before publish publish video on YouTube, try to learn filming, to learn how to reduce shaky in your video, how to set up your camera, how to use your phone, your DSLR, or your GoPro, or anything else to film. So it should be better, because if you film better, then you have a good footage, and then it's easy to edit with your software. Otherwise, it should be a mess. For example, if your footage is too shaky, then there's no way to reduce that kind of shaky in software, even with Adobe Premiere Pro or Filmora or Vegas Pro or any other software, because it's too shaky. That you should throw it away. I feel so tired with when holding my camera with my hand. Oh, why I don't bring my tripod down? So when making video on YouTube, there's another thing you should concentrate on is the title and thumbnail and description. It's important. It's important three important things that you should concentrate on: making good title, good description, and also an impressive thumbnail will help you grow your audience because people tend to click on what they see on their homepage in YouTube. Okay, my final advice for this video is that you use appropriate music for your video. Never try to use copyrighted songs because you will get a copyright strike from YouTube, and it's bad for your channel. So if you don't know where to get copyright free music, then check out the video, my last video. I may put it here on here for you. And also don't forget to check the description because I have all my gear and my software I use and how I edit video and other playlists on my channel at the description. So be sure to check it out. I said, bro, I break my hand because so another important tip: always bring the tripod with you when you want to filming something, because if you cannot find a place to place your camera, and you have to hold it in your hand. So my DSLR is very lightweight. It is Canon 800D and also a very small lens, but it's still heavy for me. Okay, bye. So welcome to my channel.